large robotic cranes lifting the left fuselage section into place on the assembly jig for joining.
Installation complete. All parameters nominal. Acknowledged. We are
Gear assembly being lowered into the main housing. Hydraulic pistons tested by engineers.
The finish looks consistent with the specifications.
The gauge confirms it. We are clear for the next coat.
Inside the Apache cabin.
Bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Copy that. Lifting now.
Looks aligned. Secure the forward bolts.
Workers connecting ammunition feed systems inside the belly compartment.
The readout on sector gamma.
Looks stable. Proceeding with the final adjustment now.
Retraction cycle complete. All parameters nominal. Looks good. Secure the clamps. Engineers performing vibration tests by mounting the Apache fuselage on hydraulic shake platforms.
According to this, the warning label should be slightly lower. Let's double check the ID plate positioning before we finalize it.
Is good.
Confirmed. The system is online and calibrated.
Looking good. Bring it down 5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. Steady now. Okay, seated.
Approved. Secure the clamps. Systems check complete. All green on the panel.
Acknowledged. We are good to proceed.
Secure the locking clamps on the left
Right
side.
side is secure. We have full power now.
Diagnostics running. Look good so far, but monitor the auxiliary power levels closely.